Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Dacus, and this is my second year teaching second grade language arts and social studies at Hillcrest Elementary. I look forward to learning with you virtually and hopefully in the classroom soon. Welcome to second grade.
Hey everybody, my name is Tracy Millette. I'm a second grade math and science teacher at Hillcrest Elementary, beginning my 29th year teaching. This is a new year for teachers, parents, students as well. It's a learning process for us all, but we're going to get through it together. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody on September the 8th. Thank you and have a great day.
Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Stacy Hall. I have taught second grade for 27 years. I will be teaching you your language arts and your social studies portion of your subjects this year. I am so excited about being your teacher. I will see you on Thursday for our virtual open house. Bye.
Hello, I'm Miss Rozier. I've been a teacher at Dublin City Schools for 18 years now. I currently teach second grade math and science at Hillcrest Elementary. One thing I'm looking forward to is navigating this new virtual learning method together with my new students, and let's see how we can achieve the best success for everyone involved. I look forward to meeting you guys, and I can't wait to see you. Have a great day.
Welcome back to school. My name is Tina Meeks. I am beginning my 28th year of teaching. I will be teaching language arts and math for kindergarten, first, and second. And I am most looking forward to getting back to school and hopefully eventually being back into the building with the faculty and staff and students. Let's have a great year.
Hi everybody, I'm Leanne Lawrence and I'm excited to teach our leap rotation class again this year. This is my 18th year of teaching. Starting the year virtual is going to make the leap rotation look a little different this year. We won't be working in the garden together, but we will be learning to be amazing leaders and musicians. I'm also excited to share some exciting news about my family. We are expecting a baby boy in September. While I'm on maternity leave, my leap rotation classes will be interacting online with lessons that I've been planning this summer. I look forward to dropping in on Google Classroom to see all of my students.
Hi, my name is Coach Brown. This will be my second year teaching and my second year at Hillcrest. I'll be teaching physical education, and I'm very excited about this upcoming school year.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Crawford, the STEM Lab rotation teacher. For those that are not familiar with STEM, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I hope you've had a great summer and look forward to seeing you soon.